Morning, y'all. It was about 9 o'clock when we finished up last night. We did go with Bondo. We actually went with a couple different types of filler, some polyester resin-based filler. So we used a little bit of that stuff in the bucket we were talking about, but we finished up the light blue stuff is just a bit of Bondo. It doesn't need to be perfect, right? It doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to cover it with masking tape. So you're going to see masking tape lines on the inside of the scoop anyway, right? But so this is what we get. As we said, the further we cut back into this thing when it's done, the bigger the hole's going to be, right? Because it gradually gets wider. The 3-inch area is about right here. So we're more than likely going to cut it back. Of course, it all depends on what it looks like aesthetically, right? It's a fashion show out there. You guys know how I am. So it's got to look cool first, and then we'll make it work. Where you can always, we can leave it just here, just remove this face. We'll have the two little side dams to it, right, with the big opening, and we can always cut it back at the track as we go. But we'll probably get it where we want it before we get too far into all this. And of course, it still fits the hole. Actually, it's a little small, which is good. So I can actually go, like, say 3 layers, 1.5 ounces, and then grind some of the high spots down to save me some body working time. But that's it. We will get this thing on the cart today. We'll do the same thing. We'll lay it up quickly, and then we'll take the heat to it, the hair dryer, and force it to dry real good. And it's not ideal, but I mean, we need to get this thing ready to test this weekend. So that's it. We'll bring you some coverage real quick. Another, minute-long video with the tape on it. We'll show you putting some PVA on it. Maybe we'll even show you with the gloves and the mask on, making a mess. Who knows? But that's it. That's where we're at. We'll bring you some more soon.